Welcome to our Chicken Momo tutorial. Today, we're exploring the delicious world of dumplings, a cherished dish from Nepal. Chicken Momo are not only a treat for your taste buds, but also carry a rich cultural heritage, making them perfect for any occasion. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through crafting these delightful dumplings right in your kitchen. From creating the perfect dough to blending a savory chicken filling, we'll take you step by step through the process. Get ready to impress your friends and family with homemade chicken momo that rival any restaurant. So, let's embark on this culinary journey and discover the joy of making chicken momo at home. To start our chicken momo adventure, let's gather the essential ingredients. First, you'll need ground chicken, forming the hearty base of our dumplings. Fresh ginger and garlic add a burst of aromatic flavor, while soy sauce provides savory depth. Grab some green onions for freshness and a hint of sweetness. Finally, a pinch of salt and pepper rounds out the seasoning, ensuring every bite is deliciously balanced. These ingredients are your ticket to perfect chicken momo at home. Make sure everything is within reach before we dive into crafting the dough and filling. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's explore how each component comes together to form these delightful dumplings. Let's dive into the heart of our chicken momo preparation. First, the dough. Mix flour and water until smooth. This is your foundation, so knead it well. A well-kneaded dough ensures tender yet robust dumplings. Now onto the filling. Combine ground chicken with ginger and garlic, mixing thoroughly to distribute flavors evenly. Here's a tip: adjust the seasoning to your preference, aiming for a balanced flavor profile that complements the dough. By mastering these elements, the dough and the filling, you set the stage for a delicious dish that's sure to impress. The texture of the dough and the rich flavors of the filling work in harmony to create a memorable culinary experience. Next, we'll move on to shaping and cooking these dumplings to perfection. Stay tuned as we guide you through bringing your momo creation to life, one delightful step at a time. Now it's time to bring our dumplings to life. Start by taking a small piece of dough and filling it with our flavorful chicken mixture. Carefully fold and shape the edges to seal in all that goodness. Each fold should be a gentle embrace, ensuring nothing escapes. Once you've crafted your dumplings, it's time to choose a cooking method. Steaming yields a soft, tender momo, while pan frying adds a delightful crisp to the exterior. Both options offer unique textures and flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. For steaming, arrange your dumplings in a steamer, leaving space between each one, and cook until translucent. For pan frying, start with a light sizzle in oil, then cover to steam through. Remember, patience is key for perfect results. Whichever method you choose, you'll be rewarded with a dish that embodies both tradition and taste. Ready to see how these beauties turn out? Let's move on to presenting our masterpiece in the next segment. And there you have it, delicious homemade chicken momo. Crafted with care, these dumplings are a testament to your culinary skills. We hope you feel inspired to try this recipe at home. Remember, every momo tells a story of flavor and creativity. Share your amazing creations with us and join our community of young cooking enthusiasts. Revel in the delightful taste and savor each bite. Until next time, keep exploring the world of flavors and happy cooking.